Welcome to Hub of Kids. PS. Kindly like and subscribe to my channel.
The Story of Chino, the little cake maker. Once upon a time, in a green and beautiful forest, there lived a little bird named Chino. Chino had a big dream in her heart. She wanted to become a cake and donut maker. To learn baking, Chino went to the big animals of the forest. But the owl, the fox, and the peacock made fun of her. They said, "You are too small. You cannot do this work." Chino felt very sad, but she did not lose courage and quietly walked away. On her way, Chino found a mobile phone with YouTube playing on it. She watched a video of a mouse who was making cakes through hard work. Chino thought, "If he can do it, then I can do it too." From that day, YouTube became Chino's teacher. She watched videos every day, practiced, and kept learning. Sometimes the cake got spoiled, sometimes the donuts broke, but Chino never gave up. Friendship with Billo the squirrel. Seeing Chino's hard work, Billo the squirrel came to her. She started helping Chino. Now, both friends worked together. They made cakes, prepared donuts, and cooked sweet treats. One day, the lion announced, "Whoever makes the best cake will become the best cake maker of the forest." On the day of the competition, everyone made big cakes. Chino and Billo presented simple but sweet-smelling cakes and donuts. As soon as the lion tasted Chino's cake, he became very happy. He said, "Chino's cake is the best." Moral: Chino proved that with hard work and courage, every dream can come true, no matter how small we are. If you like the story, kindly like and subscribe to my channel. Allah Hafiz, children.